Hey guys, just taking you on a recording of my latest BedWars game. That's the guy who I beat at the end. Let's go to me. This is me. This is my new Solo Rush strat. There was no grey team in this game, so this gave me a pretty much lifeline to go to mid. So I started speed bridging, because yes. And then basically I grab all the emeralds. I think we can just go forward a bit. There's me grabbing the second round of emeralds. Whoa. And then I'm out of here. I'm not hanging around. I was slow bridging here just because I didn't want to fall and lose everything. And then I started doing like some random block placing here to avoid getting fireballed into the void. But it was okay. No points if you guess what I did next. Take a guess what I'm doing. It's probably obvious. Yep. I wanted to give the other teams a seriously difficult chance of winning. Okay, let's just fast forward. Yep, I put endstone on top of it. And I start placing wall. And then this guy starts fireballing my bed. And then basically I'm like, oh, this guy's being annoying. Let's just get him out of the game. Doesn't he like fall in the void or something? No, he just starts moving around. Like he could have come for me. He probably knew that I had endstone, and that's probably his main reason. Okay, anyway, back to me. I decided to go for him because obviously he just went away from my base and his own, so he left it wide open for me. Then of course he voids at that specific moment. Obviously he doesn't want his bed to get destroyed, although I don't even know if he knows I'm here at this point. Like he's just shopping. Yeah, okay, my ping sucks. My ping is terrible. Let's just go back to me. Okay, so then I decided to make a run to the Diamond Island. I will just ever so slightly increase the speed. Well, that's just for a bit. Because there isn't much happening right now. By sharpness. And then I go, I think, back to mid. Yeah, I go back to mid. Where I realize someone's taken the emeralds. And I see Aqua. So I start chasing him around. I don't really know what I was doing at this point. So I get Aqua out of the game, and then I think it's just me and green left. Yes, just me and green. So this next part of the game takes ages. He drops me like 6 emeralds and 4 diamonds. So let's just speed things up a bit. So then I go and buy diamond armor because I plan to be as annoying as possible. And I put protection on that, and I bank the rest of the diamonds. I buy mining fatigue trap as well. And put a golem down, and now we're going. Going to take out green team and finish the game. I did hear the fireball at that point, and I do run around to grab some of the emeralds, which I never even end up using anyway. Okay, we're just making normal speed. I was safe bridging there. I do not want to lose my progress in bridging to this point. His bed's got close to nothing on it. Just run in, buy a pick, and yep. Okay, the rest, I don't really do much at this point. Look at him. Look at this guy. I didn't even know what this guy did. This is my first time looking at what this guy did. I think then he works out it's LB. I could have just voided at this point. Honestly, I didn't really bother. Yep, he bought diamond pick. Although I've got mining fatigue, so. Okay, back to me. I'm at mid. Gone back to his base. I've got 4 emeralds. Okay, so now I'm back at green's base. My diamond sword, just to make him more annoying. Oh, and then I buy TNT in a couple gaps, just to make my life a bit easier. And then, so I will just camp out this island pretty much. If I go to green's perspective, he's on top of mid, and I'm under mid. He starts fireballing me. And he's like, what are you doing? He both have TNT and everything, so I just jump back down. But he takes so much fall damage. Like, he's super low. Like, he has nothing to match for with me. And I just gotta hit him once and the game's over. And then I just jump in the void, because why not?